here General Takima and Dr. Sadao both are discussing about the incident, and General Takima was saying that I was not feeling well, that's why I called you. And Dr. Sadao handed over the letter, and he came to know about the whole incident. So he was saying that it means you have done the operation with all success. Dr. Sadao said, yes, I was successful. Now he is feeling well. And General Takima was saying, that's why you are the best doctor in this area, and that's why I have not sent you to the battlefield. I have kept you for my own treatment. It shows that General Takima is a very selfish person. And now Dr. Sadao is saying, sir, I am ready to get any punishment, because I know as a Japanese I should not help any enemy or any American. So, but General Takima was saying that I cannot arrest you, I cannot send you jail, I cannot hang you till death, because who will give treatment to me if you die? So, because he did not mean General Takima did not want to take any risk, and he was saying, okay, I will think something to save you, because I don't want to lose you. He said that you have saved, now I will send some of my private killers, because it is seen that the means any head of the country or kings of any country, they have some their own private killers to kill their enemies. So General Takuma also might be having. So he said, I will send 2 or 3 assassins or the killers to your house, and they will do all the work in a very perfect way. They will kill the American. Even they will take the dead body out of your home, and your wife also would be not able to know about this. And Sadao was very happy. He was saying this will be the best way. And Takima said, okay, you should just open the you should leave the gate open at night. And he was ready, and he reached to the home. Dr. Sadao reached to the home. Again he went to the patient, he examined him, and he was advising him how to take care of the body and how to take care of the health. And when American told that he was feeling better, but he was feeling little stiffness in near the operation area, he said, okay, massage can help, and he told some exercise, and told him that now you should take rest. At the same time, Tom, means the American, wanted to pay thanks, but Dr. Sadao was saying, no, I don't want to talk to you, or you should also not talk to me till I am not going to ask you anything. You just take the rest. And the American heard Dr. Sadao, but he know very well that if any other Japanese might be there, he might be in danger. So again and again he was saying that you are a very good Japanese, and if all Japanese are like you, there will be no problem between the Americans and the Japanese people. And Dr. Sadao was not interested to hear all these things, so he just said, okay, you should have a sleep, and he just said goodbye. And that night Dr. Sadao just opened the door of the guest room, so the killer should come and take the body. And Hana also said, why are you leaving this door open? He said, no problem is there, everything is okay. And during night time, Hana heard something. She started to cry. Even the baby also woke up. But Sadao was thinking, perhaps the killer have come, so they might be doing their own job. So he himself did not go outside, and he did not allow Hana to go outside. And he thought perhaps the American was killed and the body was taken out. But when next day he went inside, he found that still the American was there. So Dr. Sadao was surprised. It means General Takima might have forgotten his promise. And in the same way, just he went inside the room and checked the patient and cut his stitch and gave some instruction. And he was thinking perhaps the next day he will come, but next day again no one has come. In this way 3 days have gone, but no one has come. And he was feeling surprised why no one has come. And finally he thought that now I have done my duty as a Japanese by informing General Takema. Now I have to perform my duty as a human being. So he thought that because Hana every day she was saying ki you should do something to get rid of this person, because any day we can be in danger. So he just arranged one boat and kept all the eatables in that boat, and water bottles, quilt, blanket, medicines, means all the necessary things, and instructed the American that now I am going to help you in this way. I am going to arrange you a boat. You should go to the nearby island, and from that place you can take the lift in any Korean boat. In this way, finally he arranged and examined and gave medicine, and he told that whenever your food is over, you should give me signal of this torch. Means he gave one small flashlight or torch and said कि twice, means 2 times you just give me the light or signal, I will understand and provide you food, but don't make any fire to cook your food, otherwise you may be in danger. In this way he instructed the American and made him to go to the other side, and finally he went, and but after 2 or 3 days he found that no signal was coming from the island. It means the American might have taken lift from any Korean boat, and he might have gone to the other side, and he might have escaped. One day again General Takema called Dr. Sadao, because he was feeling very critical and operation was required, and the operation was done. And after the operation, when General Takema was in his conscious, he inquired about the prisoner, and he said ki sorry, I could not send the killers to kill that person because I was in pain, so I forgot. Means he was saying ki it doesn't mean that I am a selfish person, I am not a patriotic person, actually I was in pain, that's why I did not help you, but tell me what has happened. Dr. Sadao said, sir, he has escaped, and he was feeling very sorry. General Takema was feeling very sorry, and finally Dr. Sadao thought कि now I have done my duty as a doctor, as a Japanese, and as a human being, and he became assured that General Takema was not going to arrest him, because he needed him for the treatment. And General Takema's operation was done, and though his condition was very critical, but luckily he was saved. And in this way, in the last paragraph, we see that Dr. Sadao was missing and remembering all the Americans, the professor, his wife who was very talkative, the professor who gave his room as to live there as PG, and he was remembering his anatomy teacher who used to teach them and about so many good things as a doctor. And he was thinking about the landlady also, though he did not like the lady, but once when he was not feeling well, at that time that lady took all care of Dr. Sadao. She nursed him, though she was not having any knowledge of influenza, but she was giving all the service, and she was serving. And in this way he missed Dr. Sadao missed all the Americans whom he was familiar with, and at last he was feeling surprised. Even I don't know why I gave the treatment and why I could not kill that American. So in this way we see in this lesson that Dr. Sadao performed all his duties as a doctor, as a Japanese, and as a human being. So this lesson teaches us that we should perform all our duties in all circumstances. And second thing also, we see that though people of two countries might be having feeling of enmity, they might be enemy, but sometimes humanity raise a person upper from the narrow prejudice. Means people give more importance to humanity than their rivalry.